So in this video, I'm gonna try to make a recap on just what I'm observing overnight on the FX market. So here is the beautiful downtrend channel on AUD USD, and it broke out last week, and now we're just shooting up to the upside. Um, so as you can see, we clearly made we we made a higher high from this one, so this is now all the downside, the previous downside. So this from here, this was a bearish cycle, and now we're moving in a bullish cycle. So this could be only the wave one. We're gonna have wave two, and at least a, um, three wave corrective wave, or if we get five, this is impulsive. So on the short time frame, I already took my profit because I was long and I saw many order blocks on Friday. So my stop loss was minimal, it was here, and on Friday, based on this action, it accumulated so much that I decided to double down on my position, and I exited around 1 a.m. around here. So price could go higher from here. I don't know, nobody knows, but I was pretty satisfied with the start of the week. So why I say we have a rising channel, rising wedge, pardon me. We got 1, 2, 3 touch, 1, 2, 3 touch at the bottom. I'm gonna make it with in blue so it's more, we can differentiate it. So it's okay. Looking at this, we didn't have any retracement. What I mean by that, like very impulsive and a meaningful correction. Everything was comprised in the same wave. You can see here it's only one wave, and now it's either volatility compression, and it's gonna shoot up and go to my target above 0.65 in one go, or this is the end of wave one. Okay, and then we should come down and go lower from here. Where could it go? Either a retest of this channel, if this is a valid one, we never know, or we could come back to the 0.62314. Well, I mean 0.382 fib retracement, but in my mind this is quite low. So it really gonna depend on the price action, but right now this is buying here is chasing, so no opportunity for me on this market right now. I try to be coincisive, and this is what I'm looking to on the Euro USD. So we got 1, 2, 3. So extension, wave 1, 1 to 3, 4, and then we had an extension. So I took profit here tonight. It was a powerful move, and now we could easily get a 3-wave pullback, form a continuation pattern, and then go higher again toward 1.19, 1.20. So right now I'm not chasing this move. This is quite extended. Same here on gold. Crazy move on gold overnight. It's gonna take a look at it from Thursday low. We already made $110 move to the upside. I tried to long silver this morning, but I find it disappointing really. Everything against the DXY is going parabolic, and this one is not even doing anything. So it could have backtest the bull flag, but it's just lacking conviction for my taste. And what are we looking at on the indices? Well, it's just bleeding down, so probably no, and it's below the cloud, so probably no long stocks for quite a few days. On Nasdaq, we can see the Russell finally broke down, um, and one surprise move, well, that was quite sneaky. We got Bitcoin, so now that's a clear breakout, and I'm expecting at least a touch of the previous support and resistance around like 95, 93, 95. That would be, I'm gonna put it in the rail. Yeah. So we can see this is probably a major zone test that's gonna occur on the and that would align with the Fibonacci 0.618. So just really looking at this, what happens here. If it breaks, then we can go back to the $110,000. And what else? WTI, yeah. I'm looking at this too for a potential short, but right now it's above the cloud on the 4 hour. I don't want to short it. I short when there's a clear wave, and could it be corrective? Absolutely. And there could be more downside. Where did we? It's not pretty clean on the fib. Yeah, that's not really clear. And then right now it's the gonna look, make it cleaner for you. So we got one touch at the bottom, two touch, and I would like to price to retest here and go find an order block, print an order block here, and then we can sell. At the top we got 1, 2, 3 touch. What else? Soybeans. Price is still capping, being capped by this line. I don't know. Prices, I had a short, but I had to put my stop loss break even, and I got taken out. I'm not too sure about this because if I try to, well, I need to look at it more time, but this clearly made this impulsive move made a higher high, okay, and now it's consolidating. Maybe this is just wave 1 consolidating, and then we'll try to push and go higher from here. So I'm gonna put it on my watch list, because the euro, not the euro, the pair against the XY, they've made some move. I think right now I'm just gonna need to wait for a retrace. So this is what I'm looking right now. Probably, let's go look at Tesla this morning. Yeah, that's bad. That's really nothing to do. And if we look at MSTR, yep, power move. So MSTR once again just lead Bitcoin on the breakout. So that's it for me. No, not much. I had $5,000 gain on AUD USD and Euro USD pair. last night. So I'm quite happy for the start of the week, and now I'm just monitoring for some clean setups. Thank you.